So welcome back. In today's session, we are doing algebra for beginners. Let's move on. Now, what is algebra? Algebra deals with solving equations and finding the value of variables. Now, the question arises, what is a variable? So, variables is a letter which represents an unknown number. For example, in the equation x plus 2 equals 5, x is a variable. And how do we solve this equation? What will we add in 2 to get total of 5? So the answer is 3. So value of our variable x is 3. Now in the above equation that we were doing, the answer was x equals 3. So in this, variable is the letter x and which represents an unknown number 3. So let's look at one more equation. A plus 10 equals 15. So in this, a is a variable. Now when we will be doing lot of equations, the variables will keep on changing. It can be x, it can be y, it can be b, it can be c. So we just have to find the values. So in this, we will move the 10 to the right hand side from the left hand side, and when the numbers in which are positive will move to right hand side, it will change to negative and answer would be 5. Or we can simply do it in our head. What will we add to 10 to get 15? 5. And most important is verify, like did I do it right or wrong? So we will write the equation one more time. And 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. We are putting the value of a that we found out, and 15 equals 15. So we did it correct. So best way to proceed in these kind of videos is take your time, pause the video and get your pencil and paper and try to solve the equation before looking at the video and then match it. So moving on, what are natural numbers? They are also called as counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can count up to 100, 1000, 10,000 or more. They are all natural numbers. Now the next in the series is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? They are natural numbers which start at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are all called as whole numbers, and we can count up to 100, up to 1000, up to 10,000 or more. Next comes integers. They are natural numbers with 0, and on top of it there are negative numbers too. So natural numbers which are integers are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this, let us do a review. So question is, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called as, what are they called? Natural numbers. Good. Then next question is, number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are they called? They are called as whole numbers. and -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are all integers. So now -4, is it an integer and is it a natural number? So -4 is an integer, but it's not a natural number. Natural number is starting from 1 and moving on further. Now 4, is it an integer? Yes, 4 is an integer and 4 is also a natural number. Now we have written integers as -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also write the integers as, instead of 1, we can write it as +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. So whenever we are just writing 1, it always means it's a positive number and the positive sign is missing. Now rational numbers. Rational number, any number which can be represented in the form of P by Q. P by Q means it has a numerator which is P, then there is a dash, and there after that comes Q. Q is the denominator. So rational number is also, we are doing fractions of integers. So 1 by 2 is a rational number but not a integer. Now 5 is both a rational number and integer. Integer because it's +5, and rational number because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. 5 is in the numerator and 1 is in the denominator. Now real numbers. Real numbers are both rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational number, any rational number which cannot be written as a fraction. So the examples are square root of 2 minus square root of 7, pi, and we can also write square root of 3, square root of 9, square root of 100, minus square root of 53. They are all irrational numbers. And last in the series is complex numbers, real numbers with imaginary numbers. So in this we have 2 plus 3i. 2 is the real number and 3i is the imaginary number. So now we have a number line and it has lot of numbers on it. We are going to do a review to see whether we have learned anything or not. So we have to find natural numbers. So they are also called as counting numbers. And what are they? 1, 2. Whole numbers. They are natural numbers which start with 0. 0, 1, 2. Integers. They are natural numbers with 0 and negative numbers. So -1, 0, 1, 2. Now rational numbers are fractions or decimals, positive or negative. -0.8, -1 by 7, 0.5 and 4 by 3. So they are all fractions. And why decimals? Like 0.8, if we remove the decimal, it will become 8 by 10 or a fraction or a rational number. Similarly, 0.5, it is 5 divided by 10, which is again a rational number. And irrational numbers are square roots, both positive or negative. So minus square root of 2 and square root of 3. Good job. And if you have any questions or doubts, you can always contact us by writing us in comments. Thank you.